Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Johnson's Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in johnsonfinancialgroup.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for Johnson Bank. Now click on the account login option and then you can choose within your personal, wealth, business and commercial account. After choosing your preferred type of account, go ahead and type in your user ID within the user ID box and then underneath type in your account password. After entering both of these credentials, click on the login button underneath and you will be logged into your account on Johnson Bank. In case you forgot your password, you can click on the forgot password option underneath and you will be allowed to reset your credentials right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Johnson Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.